Hi guys, today we've got a really quick and easy twisted chignon hairstyle. To start, take the hair from the crown on the left hand side and twist it towards the head. Bring this slightly over to the right hand side and secure with a couple of bobby pins. Next we're going to take the crown section again on the right hand side, and again we're going to twist it towards the head and bring it slightly over to the left hand side and again secure it with a bobby pin or two. Now we're going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face and grab another section from the left hand side, twisting it towards the head and bringing it over to the opposite side, then pin to that right hand side with a bobby pin. We're going to take the same size section from the right hand side, twist it towards the head and pin it on the left hand side. And we're basically going to keep crisscrossing our sections over one another from left to right until we get down to the nape of the neck. Don't forget to leave some hair out at the front to frame the face. So I'm just working on my last couple of sections here. Make sure that you lay these twists as close to each other as possible. You can always pinch and pull them if there's any gaps. So once you've got everything secured, all we're going to do next is tie that remaining hair into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. I'm then going to take some texture powder and apply it to the top of the ponytail. I'll list the one I'm using in the description below. Then we're just going to do a very gentle bit of back combing on the top of that ponytail. Next, flip the ponytail up and smooth the underneath with a brush. And we're going to apply another elastic band about an inch from the end, but we're only going to pull the tail ends part way through on the last turn. So it should create a loop. And all I'm going to do is roll that loop towards the head so it sits on top of that ponytail elastic. And then I'm just going to use a couple of bobby pins from the right and left hand side through the centre of that roll. Now with those side sections, you're gently going to push them towards the nape of the neck and secure them with a couple of bobby pins. And then just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So push that little chignon towards the nape of the neck and secure with some pins. Then just add a little bit of hairspray to calm any flyaways. I'm going to curl all of the hair at the front away from the face. And then I'm going to add some texture spray. Again, I'll list it below. And then I'm going to take a comb and back comb those curls ever so slightly. And then just smooth it out with the tip of my comb. Then just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.